putting the finishing touches on the solar water heater.
This is the hot water panel. If you look really closely, you can see that there are pipes running through. Right now we have a problem with fogging. This is going to hurt our abilities, but hopefully that'll go away if we vent it a little bit. But on the back you can see we have an inlet, which this is where the water from the tub comes in. We have a little circuit in here with a battery and a switch that goes to a motor and then into the panel. The water comes out of the panel at the top and into the tub. And so today we're just doing a test with the morning sun to see whether or not we'll have enough hot water to wash some clothes by lunchtime.
Update on the solar water heater. We jacked it up on a couple of pallets to give it more tilt. And must say that the water is really hot. It's really hot. It's hot.
Yeah.
It's like 198 degrees.
Yeah.
It's about 100 degrees. Oh man, that'll make a nice soaking tub. So, yeah? Yeah.